Hi guys. Today I will show you how to use Boomerang Photoshop Action. This product contains one Photoshop Action file. After loading Action, you will find 3 options to choose from. First option creates a loop animated image for 2 seconds. Your loaded video must be longer than 1 second. Second option creates a loop animated image for 4 seconds. Your loaded video must be longer than 2 seconds. And third option creates a loop animated image for 6 seconds. Your loaded video must be longer than 3 seconds. Let's try that. Play first option. Select your video from your computer. It preferred to be small video to make the process easier and faster. Select length range from this bar and press OK. That's it. Your GIF image is ready. As you see here, the final result contains 46 frames, which equals about 2 seconds. Thank you for choosing my products. See you in the next video.
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.